Do you ever feel like English grammar is your enemy? Do you study the rules, but then forget everything when you speak? Have you noticed that you make the same mistakes again and again? Why does this happen? You learn the present perfect. You know the rule. But when you talk, you say, I have saw, instead of I have seen. Does this sound familiar? If yes, I want to tell you something important. You are not alone. Millions of English learners feel the same way. And the problem is not your brain. The problem is not your memory. The problem is something else. Let me tell you my story. When I was learning English, I made a big mistake. I thought grammar was like math. Learn the rule, practice the rule, get it right. But English is not math. Here is what most learners do. They buy a grammar book. They read present simple versus present continuous. They do exercises. They get 90% correct. They feel good. Then they try to speak, and everything falls apart. Why? Because real speaking is fast. Real speaking is stressful. In a real conversation, you don't have time to think, oh, this is third person singular, so I need to add an S. No, you just speak, and your old habits come out. So the problem is not that you don't know the rules. The problem is that your brain cannot use the rules automatically. And that takes a different kind of practice. Let me give you an example. Imagine you are in a coffee shop. A foreigner sits next to you. He smiles and says, "How long have you been waiting in line?" You know the words, but your heart starts beating fast. You think, oh no, present perfect continuous, have been plus ing. But wait, is that correct? Or should I say, how long do you wait? You take 5 seconds. Then you say, I wait 10 minutes. The foreigner smiles, but you know it was wrong. Later, you think, I know the rule. Why did I say that? That moment feels terrible. I know because I lived that moment many times. But one day, everything changed. One day, I was talking to my English teacher. I said, I study grammar every day, but I still make mistakes when I speak. Maybe I am not good at languages. My teacher laughed, not in a bad way. She said, Mark, your problem is not grammar. Your problem is practice style. I didn't understand. She explained, you study grammar like a scientist, but you need to practice grammar like an athlete. An athlete does not learn to play soccer by reading rules. An athlete practices the same movement hundreds of times until it becomes automatic. That was my aha moment. I was studying too much and practicing the wrong way. So I changed everything. Here are 5 simple things you can do today. These are the same things that helped me finally master English grammar. 1. Stop studying grammar rules for hours. Yes, you need to know the basic rules, but after that, more rules will not help you speak better. Instead, spend 80% of your time practicing sentences. Not reading rules, not doing written exercises, saying sentences out loud. Example, instead of reading about past simple, say 10 sentences. Yesterday, I went to work. Last week, I bought a new phone. I saw my friend yesterday. Say them again and again. Why does this work? Because speaking creates a physical memory in your mouth and ears. 2. Use sentence patterns, not rules. Native speakers don't think present perfect for experience. They think, I have been to. Learn grammar as fixed phrases. Example, instead of studying used to, learn 3 full sentences. I used to smoke. She used to live in London. We used to play outside. Say them until they feel natural. Then change one word. I used to drink coffee. She used to work in a bank. This is how children learn. This is how you should learn. 3. Repeat correct sentences every day. Most learners practice mistakes. Every time you say, yesterday I go, your brain remembers yesterday I go. So you need to replace bad habits with good ones. Every day, take 5 correct sentences. Write them down, say them slowly, then faster. Say them in the shower, say them while walking. Example, yesterday I went to the supermarket. Yesterday I cooked dinner. Yesterday I watched a movie. After 1 week, your brain will start to say yesterday I went automatically. 4. Listen and repeat real conversations. Find a short video or a podcast for learners. Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat exactly. Copy the speed, copy the feeling. Why? Because real conversations use natural grammar. When you repeat a real sentence, you learn grammar without thinking about rules. Do this for 5 minutes every day. It feels strange at first, but it works. 5. Record yourself speaking. This is scary, but it is very powerful. Open your phone. Record yourself answering one question. What did you do yesterday? Speak for 30 seconds. Listen. You will hear your mistakes immediately. Then record again. Try to fix one mistake. Do this 3 times. After 1 week, you will see real improvement.
So here is the truth. You already know most of the grammar rules. Your problem is not knowledge. Your problem is automaticity, using grammar without thinking. And the only way to get there is practice. But not any practice. Speaking practice, repeating practice, recording practice. Start small. Today, take one sentence pattern. Say it 10 times. Tomorrow, record yourself for 30 seconds. Little by little, your brain will change. Mistakes are normal. I still make mistakes. But you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better than yesterday. You can do this. I believe in you. This is Mark. Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video.